ओम पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। सः गच्छति तौ गच्छतः ते गच्छन्ति त्वं गच्छसि युवां गच्छथः यूयं गच्छथ अहं गच्छामि वयम् आवां गच्छावः वयं गच्छामः. This much is enough here. Okay. And एकः एकम् एका द्वौ द्वे द्वे त्रयः त्रीणि तिस्रः चत्वारः चत्वारि चतस्रः. पुल्लिंग नपुंसकलिंग स्त्रीलिंग. एकः एकम् एका द्वौ द्वे द्वे त्रयः त्रीणि तिस्रः चत्वारः चत्वारि चतस्रः. एकः रामः एकं वनम् एका माला द्वौ रामौ द्वे कन्ये द्वे वने त्रयः बालकाः त्रीणि वनानि तिस्रः कन्याः सीताः त्रि सीता चत्वारः पुरुषाः नराः नृपाः चत्वारः चत्वारि फलानि चतस्रः चतस्रः राधाः फोर राधा. So these are विशेषण विशेष adjective and noun or subject. चलो now with this background let us solve fourth chapter sentences. Okay, and these are all important like इत्थं तथा यथा कथम अपि एव. I told you eva makes a huge difference. च किंतु परंतु. ओके चलो. ईश्वर एक ही है. ईश्वर एक ही है. यू जस्ट चेक. ईश्वरः एकः एव अस्ति. Because ईश्वरः पुल्लिंग, that is why एकः and he means एव alone. ईश्वर only one ईश्वर is there. दो बालक फूल सूंघते हैं. द्वौ बालकौ. बालकौ पुल्लिंग द्विवचन. द्वौ पुल्लिंग द्विवचन. द्वौ द्वौ बालकौ पुष्पम जिघ्रतः. टू आर देयर. द्वौ. तीन आदमी खाना खाते हैं. त्रयः मनुष्याः नराः पुरुषाः भोजनं खादन्ति. भोजनं खादति खाना खाते हैं या फिर त्रयः मनुष्याः खादन्ति तीन मनुष्य खाते हैं. चार बालक क्रीडा करते हैं. चत्वारः बालकाः क्रीडन्ति. क्रीडन्ति या फिर क्रीडाम कुर्वन्ति ऐसे चलेगा क्योंकि इन दिस चैप्टर कुर्वन्ति इज देयर. सो क्रीडाम यू सॉ इन थर्ड चैप्टर. क्रीडाम कुर्वन्ति इज आल्सो ओके. क्रीडन्ति इज आल्सो ओके बट क्रीडन्ति वी हैवंट सीन yet. सो क्रीडाम कुर्वन्ति.
क्रीडयन्ति है. क्रीडयन्ति.
नो नो नो. क्रीडति इज फर्स्ट गण धातु.
ओके.
हाँ. सो
क्रीडन्ति. ओके.
हाँ. So better whatever we have seen we can do that. We can write that, or I will tell you the source. Means where if you don't know some dhatus then what is the source that I will tell you. There is one.
Not right.
Yes, kridanti is right. But here kurvanti we should use. So those samskaras are made. When kridati dhatu will come then we'll use kridanti. So kridanti is fixed in our head. Now kridam given in last chapter. In this chapter kurvanti they have given. So kridam kurvanti. Like strictly speaking. Otherwise kridanti is okay. क्रीडयन्ति, no. Kridayanti, it is pratham gana dhatu. Kridanti. There is one very profound application on Play Store. You will wonder who has done it and how much effort has put forth for us only. The name of that is Ashtadhyayi. I will send you the link. Ashtadhyayi.com. Very wonderful.
Okay.
Like if you just write Api Shabda, where it is used, like in which text Api Shabda is used, in Gita, where it is, so many they have done, so much they have done.
Wow.
Ashtadhyayi.com. You will wonder, sutra, any sutra you put, all vritti, examples, everything. 2000 dhatus have been uploaded. You search any dhatu, English meaning, which gana, all 10 lakaras declension. Like in lat lakar, how it goes, in lot lakar, how it goes, everything they have given. I will send you link, ashtadhyayi.com. If you just put a, they will tell you how many words are there from a shabda. 7,800, something like that.
Great.
In Sanskrit. If you put just kha, how many words are there from kha shabda? And all shabdas are there. Kha, not just sankhya, like 2000. All 2000 words, like kha, kham, kha, khagaha. Like that, they have given.
Wow.
So namaskar to them, and it is free. So much people are doing okay for Sanskrit. Because somehow we want to, somehow we want to again protect and strengthen our wisdom. Ashtadhyayi.com on Play Store. Wonderful app. Any dhatu you put, which lakara, what is the English meaning? Everything is given. Sources, where you will find all sources. All possible words. Like if you put just ga, how many words are there from ga? In whole dictionary, in whole Sanskrit. Legend people, they are there behind that. Some organizations, silently they work. Not any halla gulla, nothing. Silently they work. So we bow down to them again and again.
Very important to preserve this. Yeah.
Yes. Ashtadhyayi.com, it is a application. Full application. Okay, chalo. Very important you got. This is very important. Any sutra you put, all meaning will come. In English also, I don't know in English meaning, but so much is there. We can take benefit of that. Okay. Chor. अच्छा. चार बालक क्रीड़ा करते हैं. चत्वारः बालकाः क्रीडन्ति, क्रीडां कुर्वन्ति. फाइन. चोर 5 पुस्तकें चुराते हैं. This is little bit tricky sentence, है ना? Because now 5 पुस्तकें is not subject anymore. It is object. Object means second case. Do we know what is the second case of Pancha Shabda? We don't know. But luckily Pancha Shabda second vibhakti is Pancha. Pancha, Pancha, Panchabhihi, like that. So while writing, you can understand that chorah, chor churate hai. So many chor are there, like choraha, choraha, pancha pustakani, because pustakam, pustake, pustakani, prathama same, dvitiya also same. Pancha pustakani chorayanti. But here pancha pustakani is not subject. It is object. Object means second vibhakti. So what is the second vibhakti of pancha? We'll see when it comes. Now only just focus on prathama vibhakti and remember them. Pancha
only
shat.
One chor is there, no? Only one
chor,
chor. So why?
Chor 5 pustake churate hain.
Churate means becomes
plural.
Plural.
हाँ. See, chor 5 pustake churata hai. Then means one is doing everything. लेकिन चुराते हैं, so it becomes plural. That is why choraha pancha pustakani chorayan.
Chor is the same in both, sir. For thief, it is only chor. In Sanskrit also.
Choraha, yes, same. Choraha पंच पुस्तकानि चोरयन्ति. So much they have given. Okay, रमा 6 कहानियां कहती है. रमा षट् कथा कथयन्ति. So katha here also षट् 6 becomes object, not subject, because Rama is subject, else all other things will be object. So Rama षट् कथाः कथयति. Rama षट् कथाः कथयति. Luckily षट् shabda is also dvitiya vibhakti is same only. Luckily षट्. Otherwise you have to change that. But luckily
so we can't use vadanti. We can't use vadanti. We kahat.
See, katha we narrate. Vadati means to talk. Like I talk with you, like aham vadami, like I talk with you. But when I tell story, I narrate story. Like there was a king and like that. So to narrate means kathayati. So when I gave dhatu, I purposely, deliberately, I wrote kathayati. Kathayati means narrate, to narrate. Okay. If any particular things somebody wants to communicate, then kathayati you can use. If normal talking is going on, vadati. वे सातों बालक ईश्वर का चिंतन करते हैं. वे ते सप्त बालकाः ईश्वरं चिन्तयन्ति. सप्त, that is why चिन्तयन्ति. See, we are now getting.
यहाँ पर आ रहा है ईश्वर का आ रहा है.
Yes.
ईश्वर का. तो ईश्वर का means अदृश्य भी अषष्ठी विभक्ति, no?
हाँ, this is always a doubt here. So in next class, next chapter, like today only, we will clarify what is karma. Karma has a particular definition. In that definition, it hits kartuhu ipsitatamam karma, means that which a subject likes to do, that is karma. So if he does Ishwar Chintana, means he likes that. That is why it is karma. Otherwise, Ishwarasya Chintanam Karoti.
Yeah.
2 points are there. I will tell you. First point is it is karma because he likes to do that. That is why it is second case. First point. Second point, we are using pure dhatu, like Chintayati we are using. That is why Ishwaram Chintayati will come. Again I repeat. We are using pure dhatu. Pure dhatu means Chintayati is pure dhatu and Chintanam Karoti is like two coming together. So when you use Chintayati, you have to use second case. When you use Chintanam Karoti, then you can use Ishwarasya Chintanam Karoti. That becomes lute. Chintanam, Bhojanam, Dhyanam. Then you can use Shashti Vibhakti. But with pure dhatu, second case. All will come slowly. I am just, whatever I have learned in further chapters, I am telling you now only. That's all. You all will know all these subtleties. Yaha 8 lataye hai. Atra ashta lataha santi. Santi.
Lataha santi. Santi.
Santi. Because 8 are there. वहां 9 आदमी भोजन करते हैं. तत्र 9 मनुष्याः नराः भोजनं कुर्वन्ति. If you write
bhakshayam won't come.
Bhakshayanti also, because in this chapter Bhakshayanti is given, so you use Bhakshayanti. So see, Sanskrit is very vast. For one word there are 100 words. So bhakshayati, bhojanam kurvanti, khadanti, same. Don't worry. But here in this chapter, bhakshayanti given, you repeat that in your mind. You practice that. Because
bhakshayanti, right? Bhakshayanti.
Bhakshayanti, because 9 are there. Tatra nava manushyaha bhojanam bhakshayanti.
So the earlier one, Sato Balak Ishwar ka Chintan karte, Chintayanti or Chintayati?
7 balak. How many subjects are there? Many. So Chintayanti will come.
चिन्तयन्ति.
Did I say चिन्तयति?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
Yeah.
no, चिन्तयन्ति. Saptabalakaha, plural. See, now you have rules with you. You can say, sir, this is wrong, because karta is plural, so karma will, object, subject, verb will be plural. You can say that. No problem. वहाँ 10 पुस्तकें हैं, तत्र 10 पुस्तकानि सन्ति. थोड़े देखो, अभी पहले हम earlier we used to do 20 sentences in 10-15 minutes. Now these are, more thinking is there, so it is taking time. वह है, सह अस्ति. तुम कैसे हो? त्वम कथम असि. नॉट अस्ति, त्वम असि. मैं इस प्रकार खाता हूं. अहम इत्थम खादामि. वह क्या सोचता है? आई विल गो स्लो. सह किम चिंतयति? जैसी, and this is beautiful sentence. Many of you might have made mistakes. जैसी कथा है वैसे वह वैसे ही कहता है. I want to hear from you. हाँ चलो, don't worry. हाँ,
यथा कथम अस्ति, कथा अस्ति,
हाँ,
तथा सा कथयति.
perfect. Only eva. See, he will make both big difference. Yatha katha asti tatha eva. The same way only. Sometimes Ramayana katha goes, but they tell other things, not Valmiki Ramayana or not Tulsi Ramayana. So that is not yatha tatha. So yatha katha asti tatha saha tatha eva kathayati. As it is. Eva is important.
Kathayati or kathati, sir?
How kathati? Because kathayati is 10th gana. Chintayati, kathayati, bhakshayati, chorayati. 4 dhatus.
Can you repeat that second half again? Yatha katha asti.
हाँ, यथा कथा अस्ति सह वह सह तथा एव कथयति. इजी है, मतलब जस्ट टू लुक इट क्लोजली. तुम कैसे पढ़ते हो? बोलो.
पहले क्या था कि तुम कैसे हो? तुम किमसि?
किम नहीं, किम मीन्स व्हाई.
अच्छा, ओके.
हाँ, लाइक बालक, किम मीन्स व्हाट. बालक किम करोति. बालक किम पिबति. बालक क्या करता है, क्या पीता है. कथम मीन्स हाउ आर यू. त्वम कथम असि. Many would have written asti, because asti is very close to us now, because asti is the, but pay attention. तुम कैसे पढ़ते हो? त्वम कथम पठसि. वे ऐसे सोचते हैं. ते इत्थम चिंतयन्ति. सोचते हैं, चिंतयन्ति. ते इत्थम, ऐसे सोच. हम, ओके हो गया. हम कथा कहते हैं. वयम कथाम कथयामः. वयम कथयामः. Wow, next sentence is wonderful. हम खेल भी, okay, right. See, they will test you. Once we feel na up to 18 shloka, I did everything nicely. You come here now. 19. हम खेल भी करते हैं और भोजन भी करते हैं.
वयम क्रीड़ा
रुको एक. हाँ, अग्रवाल जी.
वयम क्रीड़ा क्रोमा.
हाँ, रुको रुको, हाँ हाँ,
एव भोजनम करोमा।
सी वहां पर देयर भी मीन्स अपि, एव मीन्स ही,
ओके, अपि अपि, यस।
अपि अपि, like we play and we eat also, like we eat as well, like that. हाँ विशाखा बोलो। गुड गुड, हाँ विशाखा।
वयं क्रीडा अपि कुरुतः।
वयं कुरुतः, हाउ? हाँ, if you know क्रीडति धातु, because I told you in crash course, if you know क्रीडति धातु ठीक है, otherwise क्रीडाम कुर्मः। See, bhi here is written 2 times, but in sentence we don't say api api 2 times. Like I do this and I do this also, and also we write at the end. Like मैं खाना खाता हूँ और गाँव भी जाता हूँ, so bhi is written at the end. Though here in sentence they have written twice. Like हम खेल भी करते हैं और भोजन भी करते हैं.
Cha won't come, sir. And cha won't come.
क्रीडाम भोजनम च,
भोजनम च आ सकता है, भोजनम च आ सकता है।
नहीं आ सकता।
नहीं नहीं।
I didn't know.
और
and this.
See, so far I have translated this way. I will think upon this again. I means you said, then some thinking started. See, I have written vayam, means I have taught so far. Vayam क्रीडाम कुर्मः, क्रीडाम कुर्मः, भोजनम अपि च कुर्मः, अपि कुर्मः, not च कुर्मः. वयम क्रीडाम कुर्मः, भोजनम अपि कुर्मः. Like that I have written. वयम भोजनम कुर्मः, क्रीडाम कुर्मः, भोजनम अपि कुर्मः. Otherwise, the middle part, as Gautam Buddha said, vayam क्रीडाम भोजनम, ch will not come.
Sir, what should we write? Vayam.
You write the simple way, don't get confused. Vayam क्रीडाम कुर्मः, भोजनम अपि कुर्मः.
Bhakshayam won't come, no? Bhakshayam won't come. I've written Bhakshayam.
See, then you write both pure. Like vayam क्रीडामः. नहीं, don't get confused.
I've written like that. क्रीडामः लिखा.
वयम क्रीडाम कुर्मः, भक्षयामः. नहीं. When you are writing two, see, api comes when two kriyas are there. Like aham khadami gacchami api, ऐसे नहीं बोलते हम. You write in this way. Vayam, I will again check with experts. Vayam क्रीडाम कुर्मः, भोजनम अपि कुर्मः. Because kurmah we are interested here to use.
Bhojanam api kurmah.
Api kurmah.
So cha is not coming only, or के लिए cha.
नहीं. I will let you know about this, but no, because api has come, so again cha. We never say I am eating and drinking also. Do we say I am eating and drinking also?
Yeah, that could
I
be.
am eating and drinking.
Yeah.
I am eating and drinking. That's all.
I am eating and also drinking.
But eating and drinking also means that I haven't heard. चलो ठीक है. But this is a doubtful, because cha is there or has. Then kridamah, but kurmah I am sure, that is for sure. Let us see in any vakya is given there. Yes. Vayam katham kridam cha kurmah. That is cha vakya is there. But you see 11th number sentence already solved. Udaharan vakya, vayam kridam कथां च कुर्मः. Same way, vayam bhojanam, vayam क्रीडां भोजनम, वयम क्रीडां कुर्मः भोजनम अपि कुर्मः.
Okay.
Because here cha is not used, otherwise we would have used one dhatu only, but here api is there, so two dhatu. Aham kridami gacchami api. Chalo, once again final I will tell, so there should not be confusion. Vayam kridam kurmah bhojanam api kurmah. तुम सब कथा ही कहते हो परंतु वे सोचते भी हैं. तुम सब कथा ही कहते हो परंतु वे सोचते भी हैं. यूयम, तुम सब आ गया. यूयम कथाम कथयथ. यूयम, हाँ, कथयथ परंतु ते चिंतयन्ति अपि. ते चिंतयन्ति अपि. See, if you change that api here and there, meaning will change. Te api chintayati means they also think. They chintayanti api means they think also. Difference है, बहुत बड़ा difference.
परंतु
हाँ, यूयम कथाम कथयथ परंतु और स्लैश किंतु ते चिंतयन्ति अपि. Vishaka, rejoin. Some network problem at your end. Okay. यूयम कथाम कथयथ किंतु स्लैश परंतु ते चिंतयन्ति अपि. वे सोचते भी है. इफ यू राइट ते अपि चिंतयन्ति, वे भी सोचते हैं. डिफरेंस है बहुत बड़ा. Like yesterday I heard some great sentence like Rama had knowledge of ego and Ravana had knowledge of ego. Some ego of knowledge and knowledge of ego. Very beautiful sentence. Ego of knowledge and knowledge of ego. Rama had knowledge of ego. Ravana had ego of knowledge. Chalo, now today's fifth portion. Thoda lengthy tha, but still we managed. Okay. So here some rules I want to tell you to begin with. Okay. So generally, very important rule we are starting with. See, generally saptami vibhakti means in and on, like preposition. Saptami vibhakti means in and on. But when there is motion, okay, when there is motion, then dvitiya vibhakti we use. Once again I repeat, simple rule. Wherever there is motion, then we use dvitiya vibhakti, though the sentence can be or could be in saptami vibhakti. For example, I go, we went in the forest. We went in the forest. हम forest के अंदर गए. हम वन में गए. So may means what? Seventh vibhakti in, on. But there is kriya, like going is kriya, motion. So we don't say we vayam vane gachamah. We don't say that. We say vayam vanam gachamah. Wherever there is motion in action, there we say dvitiya vibhakti. This is the first rule of fifth chapter. You can write name Abhyas 5. I will start with rule today. So first rule is what? The sutra is gatyarthak dvitiya. Though saptami vibhakti is there, but in gati there is dvitiya. This is the rule. Gatyarthak dvitiya. It is rule number 15. The rule is like that. गति in Hindi I will write गति अर्थ की धातु में गति अर्थ वाले, गति मतलब they have given some धातु चलना like चलती, हिलना कंपते like हिलना, गति hilana, some dhatu they have given, like gati means what kind of dhatu, and then jana like gachati. These are gati artha wale dhatu. Gati artha wale धातुओं में द्वितीया विभक्ति होती है. गति अर्थ वाले धातु में द्वितीया विभक्ति होती है. Though saptami we feel like it is in and on, but we will do dvitiya vibhakti. Vibhakti hoti hai. They have given some examples also. See, this will help you in many places. So we have to remember this. Like I wander in forest. Like aham. In Sanskrit first I will give, then in English. Like I wander in forest, like I am wandering, W-A-N-D-E-R, wandering in forest. So here wandering means there is a motion, and in forest means 7 vibhakti we may think, 7th vibhakti, but it is no. Aham vane vicharami. It is aham vanam vicharami. Though it is vicharati, but no, vicharami. Charami means I am wandering. Vicharami. Upasarga. Aham vane vicharami. See, I go in village. In English we say differently. We go to village, but in Hindi, Marathi we say हम गांव में जाते हैं. गांव में means 7th vibhakti, but no. He says saha gramam. In this chapter, everything will be about second case only. This is the beauty of this book. Now only second vibhakti. How many possibilities are there in Sanskrit? Everything will be there in Dvitiya vibhakti in 2 chapters. So what are possibilities of Tritiya vibhakti? They will be there in 3rd and 4th chapter. So here you learn little bit, there you learn little bit. No, all kind of possibility you learn in one place. So what is the rule? Gatyarthak dvitiya. Like this is not given here. Gatyarthak dvitiya. So wherever there is motion, movement, in that Saptami is possible, but we do Dvitiya vibhakti. One rule is over. So I told you this is everything about Dvitiya vibhakti. In the first class, let us finish this. In the first class, I told you if you want to get karma, you ask question what to a verb. Like what do you eat? है ना? What do you eat? Mango. So mango will be karma. But every time this is not possible. Like I am going to village. So I can't say gramam. What do you go? I can't ask that. So there, are you getting it? There is gramam is karma. How? So karma definition we have. Just write down, we will understand it. Kartu who. If you want, we can write in English also. Ipsita tamam karma. Kartu who ipsita tamam karma. Kartu who ipsita tamam karma. What is karma? That which subject the doer likes, that is called karma. We'll write in Hindi also. Like he is going to village means he likes to go to village. That is why village becomes gramam, dvitiya vibhakti karma. Otherwise we don't get when you ask what question. What do you go? There you have to ask where do you go. Kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. Kartuhu ipsitamam karma means the most desirous thing of a subject becomes object. Ipsitamam matlab the most desirous, lovable thing. In Hindi I will write and then we'll meet again in next half. Karta jisko, I hope you will understand this in Hindi. This vyakti vastu. See now the karta definition is now in bigger perspective. कर्ता व्यक्ति वस्तु या क्रिया को बहुत चाहता है. उसे कर्म बोलते हैं. Let us come back together. Let us come back. उसे कर्म बोलते हैं. कर्म कहते हैं. ओके, यस. कर्ता जिस व्यक्ति वस्तु या क्रिया को बहुत चाहता है उसे कर्म कहते हैं.